What's up, Bender fam? We're over here with Trevor at California Rapids again, and we're getting some graphics put on the Gladiator. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good to see you again.
Cool. Let's cruise inside.
Sure.
Trevor, thank you again, man. As always, great job, great work.
Thank you.
Jeep's getting built one step at a time. If you guys want to see more of it, hit the subscribe, like, hit the bell if you want to see our content as it comes out. And this is Dylan from Trailbenders Overland. Trevor, thank you.
Thank you.
Out.